Come test drive the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, carpeted floor mats, manual climate control, roof rail crossbars, lumbar support, first aid kit, cargo tray. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.